Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Word of the Day. Today's word is Kairos. Kairos is a noun, and Kairos is a time or condition when the situation is best for accomplishment of a crucial goal or a crucial action. When the conditions are right for the accomplishment of an action, for accomplishment of a goal, it is the best opportune moment. It is the decisive moment for doing something. Kairos represents a qualitative time, which we can say the right time to do something. It means taking advantage or even creating a perfect moment to deliver a particular message. Now we will see that how Kairos can be used in a sentence. Without courage, intelligence, and passion, the present Kairos may pass. There are the times when you see an opportunity, when you see that universe is guiding you, when you hear that God is trying to teach you a lesson. These are the opportune moments which give you a vision. There you decide whether to go in the same direction or to choose another one. Try to realize those opportunities, those kairos which God is bringing you in your life. Have you ever experienced a kairos in your life? Are you going through a kairos now? There must be one or more in your life. Just think and pay attention and let us know about your kairos moments in the comments below. Thank you for watching.